Hi viewers, this is the Smart Exceller. In previous video, I showed you how to find unique values in set of two database which have more than two columns, more than one or two columns. So now this is the uniqueness. For the same thing, we can make into differences. Now, if I want this to be in the vice versa, I want to find the differences. Please do refer to my previous video where I have showed you how to get the common things and what is the mistake we have to avoid. So now if I want to make this a vice versa, what should be done? So before in the previous video I showed you the video which is countif is less than or equal to 0, or you can just mention it as countif. So select the data and check countif, manage rules. So this is the data which has been created. So if you go and click there and edit rule, you just see countif, just countif, and you have to get the set the things in the right criteria. And the same way here also, when you do edit rules, I have made less than or equal to 0. It doesn't really matter if you make less than or equal to 0, just you keep it as a none. So now if I want to find the differences in this instead of common things, what I'll be doing is I'll be just removing this the difference and making it equal to 0. Count if this is the range. Please do check my previous video and the criteria. So just see this, see it very carefully how the database will be changing. Edit, and here also equals to 0. So when I do OK and OK, you can see automatically the data gets changed, vice versa. So now all these are the differences. So if you want to have a differences, you can see this is a differences over here. But the main thing is only the main column has been highlighted. So if you see CCTV, if I make this into a CCTV, you see automatically it gets vanished because there is a common. So whatever common will be removed. If I remove this and hit Control Z, you can see this. Anything if you want, you can check anywhere if you want to have common things or not. So I hope you find this video useful. Please check this video. Please refer to my previous videos also. So you'll be seeing that how to make things more easy. And the same things I'll be showing you how to do in Match and ISNA in the next coming videos. So hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share. Please like and please give your comments. And please share this video so many people can get to know the benefits of Excel. Thank you very much.